Building a PC is like crafting a masterpiece, and today, I'm diving into the essentials. First, let's talk about the CPU. It's the brain of your rig, so choose wisely. AMD or Intel, each has its strengths. Next, the motherboard. Ensure it's compatible with your CPU and has enough ports for future upgrades. Now, RAM 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for gaming and multitasking, but if you're into heavy content creation, consider 32 gigabytes. Storage is crucial too. An SSD will give you lightning-fast load times, while an HDD can store all your games and files. Don't forget the GPU. It's vital for gaming performance. Aim for a model that fits your budget and needs. Finally, cooling is key: air or liquid. Make sure your system stays frosty under pressure. Assemble it all with care, and you'll have a powerhouse that's uniquely yours. Happy building. Building your own PC is an exhilarating journey that offers unparalleled customization and performance. First off, you get to choose every component, from the CPU to the GPU, ensuring that your rig perfectly matches your needs, whether it's gaming, video editing, or just everyday tasks. This level of personalization not only enhances performance but also gives you a sense of ownership and pride in your machine. Moreover, building your own PC can save you money in the long run. Pre-built systems often come with a premium price tag, while sourcing parts individually allows you to snag deals and avoid unnecessary markups. Plus, you'll gain invaluable knowledge about how computers work, empowering you to troubleshoot issues and upgrade components down the line. Let's not forget about aesthetics. You can design a setup that reflects your style, with RGB lighting and custom cases that make your PC a centerpiece of your workspace. And there's something incredibly satisfying about assembling the parts yourself, hearing that satisfying click as everything comes together. So, if you're a tech enthusiast, building your own PC isn't just a project. It's an adventure that pays off in performance, knowledge, and creativity. When building a PC, there are essential components you simply can't overlook. First up is the CPU, the brain of your system. Choose one that fits your needs, whether it's gaming or content creation. Next, the motherboard, which connects everything. Make sure it's compatible with your CPU and has enough slots for future upgrades. Then there's RAM. Aim for at least 16 gigabytes for smooth multitasking, but 32 gigabytes is ideal for heavy workloads. Don't forget the GPU, especially if you're into gaming or graphic design. A powerful graphics card can make all the difference in performance. Storage is crucial too. Consider an SSD for speed and an HDD for extra space. Finally, a reliable power supply is key. It should provide enough wattage and have good efficiency ratings. With these components, you'll have a solid foundation for your DIY PC build. Happy building. Building a PC is like assembling a high-performance puzzle. First, lay out all your components: the motherboard, CPU, RAM, GPU, and power supply. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard. Align the notches and gently lower it into place. Next, add thermal paste and attach the cooler to keep things from overheating. Now, slot in the RAM sticks, ensuring they click into place. With those essentials done, it's time to mount the motherboard into the case. Secure it with screws, then connect the power supply cables to the motherboard and components. Don't forget the GPU. Slide it into the PCIe slot and secure it. Finally, connect your storage drives, whether SSDs or HDDs, and make sure all cables are neatly organized to improve airflow. Once everything is connected, power it up and watch your creation come to life. Building a PC is not just about hardware. It's about crafting your own digital experience. Navigating the BIOS setup is like unlocking the hidden potential of your PC. First, access it by pressing the designated key during boot, usually Del or F2. Once in, you'll find a treasure trove of options. Adjusting boot priorities is crucial. You want your SSD to load first for that lightning-fast startup. Dive into the hardware monitoring section to keep an eye on temperatures and voltages. This is where you ensure your components are running smoothly. Don't overlook the overclocking settings if you're feeling adventurous. Just remember, stability is key. Test your settings with stress tests to avoid crashes. And if you're upgrading RAM, enable XMP profiles for optimal performance. Each tweak can significantly enhance your gaming experience or productivity. BIOS isn't just a setup, it's your gateway to mastering your machine. Building your own PC is not just a project. It's an experience that combines creativity, technical skill, and a bit of patience. The satisfaction of selecting each component, from the CPU to the cooling system, allows you to tailor your machine to your exact needs. You're not just assembling parts. You're crafting a powerful tool for gaming, content creation, or even just everyday tasks. The learning curve can be steep, but every challenge you face, like cable management or BIOS settings, teaches you something valuable. Plus, there's nothing quite like the thrill of hitting that power button for the first time and watching your creation come to life. And let's not forget the community. Engaging with fellow tech enthusiasts online can provide insights and tips that enhance your build. So, whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-timer, remember that the journey is just as rewarding as the final product. Enjoy every moment of it.